Hello my friends, hello everyone who right now watching this video. My name is Team Wader, and today I just want to give you the really incredible information with which one you can start to make money online every single day. Right, because it's important, guys. It's important to make money through the internet in the 2020, and I'm confident that most of you right now searching for the great way where you can make some cash, where you can make really great residual income. Of course, different people, they searching for the different amount of the money, but the main idea is that what you are searching for, the way where you can make that cash, right, where you can make that income every single day. And today I just want to compare some kind of the opportunities. I want to compare some websites, and I want to show you for today the best opportunity with product where you can make the great commissions, where you can make the money exactly anywhere in the world. Of course, for the United States will be the best one. This opportunity will be the best one ever, but of course also other countries can participate because it's worldwide opportunity, and you can make the money right here, even the same like in the United States. But if you're from the United States, don't waste your time. Of course, watch this video till the end and start to make the action. And I just want to represent for you the great company which call it One World Network, guys. And right here many people from different world, from Russia, from Ukraine, from even Africa, from Uzbekistan, from Germany, from Poland, you know, basically worldwide. They're making the money right here, they're working right here, they are really find the friends right here. So we have the great community, and this is the really opportunity for life where so many people can make the financial freedom, guys. So here it is, they call it One World Network, and today, like I told you, I want to compare this method, how to make money online, with that which we have already a long time on the market. And first of the method, it will be Amazon Associates. And right here, I know that so many people, they also participate, but the difference is, guys, the difference, you can just earn up to 10% in the advertising. The second website, guys, it's eBay, and eBay's right here, it's right here. So I just want to tell you that it's absolutely similar like on the Amazon, but even Amazon give you more benefits there. You can just working like in the more world than eBay. But I just want to tell you something, guys. Anyway, you can work like on Amazon, the same like on the eBay, but right there and right here you can just make up to 10%. You know, the commissions, it's too low, and of course you must have your experience in this, because if you're gonna join this kind of the platforms without experience, if you're gonna join this kind of the ways how to make money without any knowledge, so you're not gonna be successful, because you don't know how to promote, you don't know how to make all of that pages, where to promote, how to make the website. If you don't have that kind of the knowledge, so it will be not possible even to promote. Of course you can start promote on the Facebook, on the different kind of the pages, but you should be really that person who have many friends. If you don't have them, it will be absolutely not possible, guys, because right here you can see the many kinds of the products. Of course you can join and you can start to promote, as I said, but anyway, even if you're gonna make some sale, you can make only up to 10%, guys, only up to 10%. So just imagine if some product costs around like $100, so you can make just 10, you can make just $10 one time, and that person, he will gonna buy, for example, something, and he will never gonna buy it again, because you know it's the some kind of the stuff where the people buying the products. If for example they buying the phone, which you can see right here, for example, if the people buying the phone, so they will gonna use it for the 1 year, maybe for the 2 years, but they will not gonna buy it again. So this is the vision right now. I'm just trying to show you the vision of that, what I want to show you right now, because right here, like I told you, on Amazon and eBay, it's similar system to make some cash, just to make some extra cash for the many people. Yeah, it's good opportunities, but that what we have today, guys, it's absolutely excited, because in the One World Network we have the products which people need, you know, which people every time need. So this is the difference. This is the difference for today, and I just want to show you my vision and show you the vision of many people who participate in this opportunity. Because of course anytime you can join Amazon Associates, of course anytime you can join eBay, but there, like I told you many times, only up to 10%, and there nobody help you, nobody interested in your success. Because just imagine how many people right now on the Amazon Associates, how many people right now on eBay, and not just the partners, not just that people who working as affiliate. There is so many people who just trying to sell some products. There is so many people who just trying to work as the drop shipping, like different kind of the ways. And this is the every time some competitive, this is the competitive situation. But what's the difference right here, guys? Here is the opportunity where that people who invite you right here will be interested in your success. How about that, guys? How about that? That people who invite you in this business, who invite you in this opportunity, will be interested in your success. So they will gonna help you. So idea, of course, in that, and also in the great commissions, guys, because right here you can make much more than on Amazon or eBay. And I'm gonna show you right now. Because what we have right here, guys, we have the products, like I told you, which everyone needs. Because if somebody will gonna buy the phone, he will gonna buy it and he will gonna use it. Next month, next week, he will not gonna buy it again because he already have it. Why this opportunity is really works and why it's better? Because right here, when any person he join your business, when any person he join the One World Network, he will gonna get the product. Of course, he will gonna get the product and he will gonna use it. And like I told you, these products everybody need. And the people will gonna use it and they will gonna finish it in the 1 month. Because this product is the 1 month supply. So this is the benefit, guys. This is the benefit. You can make the money every single month with the products which everyone needs. Because the people use it next week, next month, they will gonna get it again. They will gonna get it again. They will gonna recommend with some friends. Once they will gonna see like products works, they will be excited and they will gonna recommend to the other people. So this is the idea of this business. Because when you're working on Amazon, when you're working on eBay, of course right there is also an opportunity. But they're like 10%. What you can do is the 10%, guys. One time the people will gonna buy something and you're gonna never know if they will gonna return and buy again. But right here, if the people see how the product is work, if the people feel it, if the people use it every single month, so you receive commissions every single month. And this is really incredible way to get paid, because right here, right now, it's 7 ways to get paid. Right here you can see on the screen it's 6 different ways, but right now in the company we add 1 more, and this is 7 way to get paid, guys. So it's really amazing. You can see there is retail bonus, faster bonus, dual team pay, sponsor and matching generation on your life, and we have new one 3x3 bonus, guys. So I just really excited about this opportunity. On the 100%, I feel absolutely excited, because when you're working on Amazon, you don't have different kind of the stuff like we have right here. There is only 1 way to get paid, only like for the some sharing, for the some recommendation, you're gonna get up to 10%. But right here, for the same action, for the absolutely same action, you're gonna get much more, because you can see just for the retail sale, just for the retail recommendation, you're gonna get 50%, guys. So it's not up to 10, it's 50%, and it's absolutely amazing. Because just imagine, guys, you recommend something to your friend, you like the product, you got the product from the company, and you use this product. You can just make the recommendation to your friend. Your friend will gonna go on your website, will gonna get this product, and the company will gonna pay you 50% from his order. So it's absolutely amazing, and these commissions is much more. And after that, when your friend will gonna recommend something, any product from the company, to his friends, to anyone, you will also gonna receive the commissions. So it's amazing, guys. It's absolutely amazing stuff, and I'm really excited about this, because this opportunity in the 2020 will gonna be booming, So you must have attention, guys, today, because right now you can be the first one in your area, you can be the first one in your city. And listen, if you're from the United States, you must be right here, because if to talk about me, I'm not from the United States, I'm from Europe, but I'm definitely working in this company, and I'm definitely excited about that because I see how the company is growing, how the people is excited about the commissions, how they making the money, and this really motivates so many people all around the world. But when you are in the US, you see how everything is working on your territory, and the people receive the packages really fast, they fast getting the results, and they grow in the market. You're just receiving the more commissions and you're absolutely excited. So it's absolutely amazing, guys. If you are searching right now for an opportunity where you can make the great commissions, the real opportunity where you can make the great cash, so you should be right here. I told you guys, I told you, here's the time, here's the year, and this is your chance to be in the One World Network. This is your chance to start to make the great commissions. What do you have to do for that? What you must do exactly? Right now, guys, you can just go in the description. You can find the link, join the business right now. Also, there will be the WhatsApp chat. So I just call it this opportunity, copy, paste, and send, guys. So it's basically new slogan 2020, copy, paste, and send. And right here will be so much money, guys. I'm telling you, copy, paste, and send. This is the new trend of the 2020. So I just really excited about that, and I'm really telling you that if you're gonna be in the One World Network, you're gonna get all the tools, you're gonna get all the support, you're gonna get all the information about how to grow this business worldwide. And like I told you, if you're from the United States, my friend, don't waste your time. Go into the description, check the link, join the business right now. Join the business, guys. Get in the product. Join my WhatsApp chat, copy, paste, and send. Guys, new trend 2020. It will gonna help you to grow. It will gonna help you to rise from that place where you are. If you're struggling with the business, if you're struggling with the money, if you don't know what to do for life, if you don't know how to make some money online, so this will be actually the way and big benefit to join the company and start to grow your income every single day. And why I like it, guys, because that people who invite you here, like I told you, they interested in your success, because your success given the profit for us. So we are interested in your future. We're interested in your successful life. So we're gonna help you to join, we're gonna help you to grow the market, we're gonna help you with the tools, we're gonna help you with all support, and of course you will be the successful man, successful woman, successful person if you're gonna join this business. I'm really confident about that, and I want to ensure you that here's your time and here's your way to be successful in the 2020, guys. So this was the first part of the copy, paste, and send in the 2020, and this is the new trend, guys. So join right now, and I will see you in the next video. It was Team Wider. Stay blessed.